In today's video, I'll show you how to install Butterfly Faux Locs step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to try something new, I'll provide all the details you need to get started. Installation techniques can be super tricky. You might find your locks looking uneven or not having that signature butterfly effect. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process and help you achieve those flawless locks you've been dreaming of. First, you want to make sure you have all your essentials ready. You'll need butterfly crochet hair extensions, which will be added to the middle of the single braid. Lulutress Water Wave Hair, which is generally one of the recommended brands for wrapping faux locks. There are other brands that make water wave hair, but in this video, we'll be using the Lulutress brand. Hair clips for holding the hair, a rat tail comb for easy sectioning, braiding gel for keeping the hair sleek and neat during braiding, hair mousse to give the hair a polished look, a crochet hook for installing extensions. All right, let's get into it. Apply some hair mousse to the Lulutress Water Wave hair extensions. Mousse is used on the water wave hair to make it easier to section. Being that it is synthetic hair, applying mousse adds moisture to the hair and makes separation into bits easier without tangles. Next, we separate the water wave hair extensions into small pieces for faster installation. For medium-sized faux locks, we started by creating 3 single braids at the nape of the neck. Using a rat tail comb, we parted the hair into small sections and used the bricklayer method to ensure each braid is perfectly aligned. This technique ensures that each braid falls in between the braid on the previous row for a more balanced look. It also ensures the boxes are equal all through the head. Keep braiding each section of hair, making sure to part and braid carefully until every strand on the head has been fully braided. Take your time to ensure that all the sections are neatly braided from the roots to the tips, covering the entire head. Grab a crochet lock and insert the crochet pin. Then loop the crochet lock about 2 inches from the root of the single braid. Since the client has a long natural hair, you want to loop back to the base of the braid. Continuously loop the natural hair single braids until you no longer see the length of the natural hair. Another reason we are looping multiple times is because the client wants the locks short. If you are looking to achieve a longer faux lock and you have a long natural hair, you can loop only once to the base of the singles and wrap. Another advantage of looping multiple times is that when the base is wrapped with the water wave hair, the size of the locks at the base would be even with the size of the crochet lock strand. You don't want to have the base of your locks slimmer than the actual crochet locks extensions. For shorter natural hair length, you wouldn't need to loop it multiple times. You would just need to insert the braid in the crochet lock loop, insert the water wave hair at the base of the box braid, and wrap. After looping the hair length, we attach the water wave hair to the base of the hair using the crochet hook and wrap in a clockwise motion. Wrap along the base about 4 to 5 times. Then use your thumb to pre-loop and give it the butterfly effect on the locks. Wrap until you no longer see the extension. When the extension gets short, we wrap in the reverse direction. So we wrap upwards instead of downwards to ensure the wrapped lock is secured and won't unravel. After which, palm roll the hair to lock it in. Now we do this again for the next single braid. Grab a single braid and insert the crochet pin. Then loop the crochet lock about 2 inches from the root of the single braid. Since the client has a long natural hair, you want to loop back to the base of the braid. Continuously loop it until you no longer see the length of the natural hair. Then we attach the water wave hair to the base of the hair and wrap in a clockwise motion. Wrap along the base about 4 to 5 times. Then use your thumb to pre-loop to give it the butterfly effect on the locks. Just like the previous one, we wrap until you no longer see the extension. When the extension gets short, we wrap in the reverse direction, so we wrap upwards instead of downwards. And finally, we palm roll the hair to lock it in. Now that you've completed the first 2 locks, it's time to repeat the process on the rest of your sections. Remember to take your time with each lock, making sure the parting is neat and the wrapping is loose enough to create the butterfly effect. Continue the process until you've completed the whole head. Apply hair mousse. This helps to smooth down any frizz, giving your locks a more polished, defined look. It also adds a bit of moisture and helps set the style, ensuring your locks last longer and look fresh. The mousse works especially well on synthetic hair, taming any loose fibers and giving the locks a natural, sleek appearance. And there you have it, your very own Butterfly Faux Locs. These locks are perfect for a cute, natural-looking style with minimal tension on your scalp. Have you tried Butterfly Faux Locs before? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Butterfly Faux Locs.